Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install and set up custom LED lamp notifications on your Samsung Galaxy M53. So in order to do that, we'll need to open our Google Play Store and from here search for an app. Write NotifyBuddy and hit the search button. Now select this app and install it. After installation process is complete, we can open the app and from here customize it. Let's move to the next step and we'll need to grant 3 permissions to the app. First one is phone permission. It will pop up, simply click allow. Overlay permission, click grant. Here you will need to find NotifyBuddy and select the switch. And in the notifications permissions, do the same thing, select NotifyBuddy and then allow. And now the fourth option right here is battery optimization, and you don't need to disable it, it's totally optional. But if the app doesn't work properly, consider disabling it. Now let's move to the next step and press OK. From here we can start using our app and we can see 4 tabs right here. First one is user. Here you can select any app to get this custom LED lamp notifications for. So for example, I'm gonna choose Google TV. And in the system apps, you can see all of the system bound to the system apps, and you can also select them for this custom LED lamp notifications. In the active, you can find all apps that you've just activated, and in the settings, you can customize the LED lamp by changing its size, shape, and placement on the screen, time between blinking, all kinds of stuff. You can also enable or disable it if you don't want it anymore. So now let's see how it's gonna look like. We're gonna press test and you can see this LED lamp right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.